All of a sudden my van started making a whooshing noise and I couldn't go over 5 to 10 miles per hour. I was driving through the mountains in Colorado, and when I stopped to look, this sensor here, which is the air intake sensor, was completely off. It was just hanging out here, so I temporarily held it in place for another 1,500 miles with this tape, but now the tape has melted off and it's coming off completely again. So I did get a part, and this is the part number 651-153-0028. It's really easy to put on, it just has those clips. Here you can see how this just temporarily was tied on using this tape. But it's wicked hot here now in Arizona, and this pretty much is just melting off. I also put a little Loctite in there, but it is time to properly fix this. Okay, so there it is. Here I'm showing you, you just have to press down right there to release the sensor, which is this top part. It snaps into there. Here's the new sensor, and it will just snap right onto here. I need 2 hands, so I have to set the phone down, but it's really super simple. Probably one of the easiest sensors to replace. So there it is installed, and well, not installed, but connected. And now I have to push it in down there. But I actually have a question. Does it go this way or this way? I'm gonna do a quick research to find out, and I'll let you know. The copper tabs need to go down. So that's the side that goes up. This goes down. So I'm going to snap it into place now. And what had happened to the old one is these tabs. There's 2 tabs. They actually were completely snapped off. I had to push really hard with both fingers on the sides here until I heard a snap. And now this thing isn't coming off. And hopefully it'll be good for many, many miles.